Today I have Savvy with me. So this is my niece Mckenzie and her little baby Savvy. Hi Savvy. Hi. Can you tell him hi? Tell him hi. She is the cutest. Anyway, she is 6 months and we thought this would be a fun video. Whether you're wanting to learn how to trim baby's hair, that is a key to getting their hair to grow also, is to cut it. So we are going to cut it and style it so it comes in really nice. And so actually let's take this off and we'll put this on her. Savvy, can you tell him hi? Savvy May is her name, and that is, oh, she is just such a sweetheart. So anyway, we are going to put this on her. What is that, Savvy? There. Okay. So if you guys can see, maybe turn her to the side so they can see. You can see how there's wispies. That's usually what happens with baby hair. So a lot of people just grow it, and honestly, it's just best to get it off now. Oh, look. There.
Don't eat it, Savvy.
So cute. Okay, all right, let's turn her around this way. Now what I'm using is a detangler. The reason I'm using this is because it's more of a conditioning, and so it won't, ooh, is that cold, Savvy? Yeah, it'll be soft when you come through it. So anyway, okay, let's turn her this way. Sorry.
No, here.
Here, I'll come that way. Okay, all right, so now on her back, you can see that there's little strings here. So we just want to take that off and just kind of blunt that up right there. And then I'm going to pull everything out here. There's a few stragglers down here. Hi, Savvy. Hi, Savvy. Okay, the first thing, you know what I'm going to do. What we like to do is 2 pigtails up. Are you going to blow bubbles? We're going to do bangs. It's really good to have some bangs down here. Hi, Savvy May. Hi. Hi. Okay, so we don't want to go back too far. So we're going to go about there. And then we're going to do 2 pigtails. So I'm going to just start here. And then we're just going to come across and just trim this. We like the length for the pigtails. So if we just trim this, that will really, really help. Hey, Savvy. Savvy. Hey, sweetie. Savvy May. She is the best little girl. And she got shots yesterday, so she's doing really good. Yeah, tell him. Tell him. Okay, so what I'm going to do, because we are keeping this, we just trim that, I'm going to just pull this out of the way. And then I'm going to cut the sides. Hey, Debbie.
Hey.
Blow bubbles. Blowing bubbles.
What are you doing?
Okay, so I am going to, what I'm doing back here is I'm just taking what we are going to put in the pigtails and what we want left out. Savvy. Hey, Savvy. She is seriously, you guys, the happiest baby. She truly, truly is. Hey, Savvy May. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Okay. I know.
He's a happy girl,
She seriously is the cutest. Okay, so the reason I'm going to do these pigtails, because I know we're leaving this length on the top, is I'm going to put these up so I can cut around it. Debbie? She's like, what is this? I want this off. What, sweetheart? I want it off. All right. Okay, almost done with this.
There we go.
Oh, there, now she has a toy. Okay, now that's out of the way. I will come. Oh, hi, baby. And I'm just gonna lift these little bangs up and just come across here. Not taking a ton off. You just want to get a little bit of a trim so it will grow in good. Okay, now the sides, I'm going to bring this in because you can see how short this is. We want to bring this in, and I know that seems like a lot of length, but you want that in so it doesn't look so thin on those sides. And then once that starts to grow, like all of these sides, when this starts to grow in, that's when we connect all of this long up to this. So little cutie. Oh my goodness. I am just let's see. And we might take this off of her if we want. Oh, she's good now.
Yeah.
She's good now. Okay, now I'm just going to take the sides. Like I say, we want to take those straggly parts off.
It'll look so much better.
Yes, it is. It's going to look so much better. A lot of moms, especially new moms, do not want to cut their hair. So I was really glad that Kenzie was willing to cut, you know, these stragglers off. It'll just look so much better. Yay! Okay, let me turn it here. Okay, so all of that is coming short. And what's fun, you guys, is I'm going to have her use my shampoo, the line that I carry, and that's really going to help her hair come in thick. And so we will keep you guys posted. I'm going to do a now picture, 3-month picture, 6, 9, and 1 year picture. So we will keep that up on the website so you can check it out. It'll be fun. We've got some little stragglies down here. We're just going to take. Okay, now I'm going to come on this side. Now let's switch. Yep, sorry.
No?
We just thought you guys would just enjoy seeing her cute little face. She's such a sweetheart. Huh, Savvy, you're a sweetheart. Seriously, she is the best baby ever. And sometimes, if you've seen my Facebook, she did a live with me the other day. And she was so funny. She's too cute. She's doing really good too right now because she likes to nap about now. So she's doing really good. Hi, Savvy. Savvy, can you smile for him? Oh, wait, she has her winking. Never mind, that's good for a minute.
She was getting too loud.
You are so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Now you're smiling. Can you tell him? Savvy. Savvy. She's like, okay, maybe not. Okay, so I am going to cut over the ear. Just those little stragglers here. I'm going to cut over the ear here. Oh, that's already looking so much better. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Oh, you're so pretty. Huh? Can you tell him bye-bye? Hey, can you tell him bye-bye? Savvy? Savvy. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. Anyway, so that's what you want to do. If it's long on top, just trim it all straight back. Get those out of the way, do the bangs, and then just take all of the stragglies away, you know, through this area. And then when this starts growing, we will connect this with the sides. So anyway, it'll be fun. We'll keep her pictures posted. And I appreciate you watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. And sorry about my voice, I've been sick, so don't worry about that. But have a good day, you guys. Thank you. See ya.